Good morning, everyone. Dan Natkin, Vice President of Hardwood and Laminate, reporting live from Surfaces for you. I'm going to be taking you through two of our product categories today, our award-winning restoration collection, as well as our hardwood product category. You can see the booth is absolutely packed and jammed right now. So let me start you over here by talking about the shape of things to come in our hardwood visuals in both restoration and hardwood. It's really about shape and design this year. The first product that I'm going to show you, we call Palace Plank and Palace Chevron. This is a color coordinating offering of three colors in our award-winning restoration series, where we've taken a plank look and then incorporated a traditional European design of chevron or mitered herringbone. So this gives you an unbelievable option in shape and design. So if you want to do, let's say, a foyer or a study or a library and a chevron for something visually distinctive, you can marry the plank for the rest of the house for something a little bit more contemporary, a little bit more traditional. I can't fail to mention, though, that not only is this a high-performing, high-design floor, but we're being recognized by Kitchen and Bath Magazine as one of the 30 most innovative products because it's extremely durable. But last year we introduced a new technology called Spill Shield that makes the product virtually waterproof as well. All of those attributes combined make this a perfect product for households with active pets, with kids, with everyday traffic, so you get beauty and performance at the same time. We're going to show you a little bit here as we look across the floor the kind of visual that you can get in this particular product. What I was just showing you was a color called stone. Here on the floor you see tapestry, and then we have one other color in the series called armor. Unbelievable collection, unbelievable reception here at Surfaces in booth 1309. Now let's move over a little bit to hardwood. That shape trend is really continuing in hardwood right now. And the first product I'm going to show you is a new product that we're making here in the U.S. We call it Foundry Hickory. Foundry Hickory is a 7 2/3 inch wide hickory product with lengths up to 7.5 feet long, and it's going to average very, very long. So you get great aspect going across the floor. But it's not just about the size and dimension, it's about the color and the way that we infuse color into the product as well. This actually uses a triple staining process. So we lightly wire brush the product for a little bit of texture, and then we build up 3 layers of stain throughout the process to give you a deep furniture-like look. The second product I'm going to show you over here is called our Cider Mill collection. Cider Mill is a 3 1/4, 5, 6.5 inch shape plank with hand-applied stains in 3 layers and hand-applied distressing. The cool thing about Cider Mill is you get aspect in width and aspect in length, so you get all of these different shapes coming together on your floor. You can see in our little room scene right here the type of effect it creates. Now this is our most dramatic color in Cider Mill. I want you to imagine for a second, the trend in kitchen cabinets right now is going back to white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. So imagine those white cabinets and stainless steel appliances with this beautiful take on a black and white floor. The final product I'm going to show you this morning is here on our floor, and it's our featured product. This is our Dealer's Choice nominee product, and it is something truly unique and special. While things keep going wider and longer and wider and longer, we do think there's going to be a trend back towards narrow plank. There's just an authenticity, a rustic authenticity about a narrow plank that you can't capture in a wide long plank. So here we've taken 3 colors, and again we're using a triple stain option, and those colors are designed to coordinate with each other. So we've got the narrow plank option in carriage oak that we do a triple stain and give it kind of a worn paint look and feel. But for something truly unique and different, we're also offering it in herringbone. So the herringbone comes in a 22.5 inch fixed length to allow you to create a truly unique look, not only on your floor but on your wall as well. And here in our room scene, you'll see that we feature the plank on the floor and then the herringbone going up the wall in a mix of all 3 colors. So this really shows you what you can do with shape and color and design with all of the hardwood offerings that we're coming out with this year. So if you haven't come by the booth yet, we're booth 1309 Mannington Mills, amazing award-winning products, amazing new products to see.